Welcome to Learn English Fast Daily Lessons for Beginners. I'm thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey to mastering English. If you've ever felt frustrated by the quirks of the language, like why we say break a leg instead of good luck, you're not alone. English can feel like a maze of confusing rules and exceptions. But fear not. In this video, we'll break down essential skills that will help you grasp the basics quickly and effectively. Each lesson is designed to be interactive and fun, so you'll enjoy learning as much as I enjoy sharing these tips. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's embark on this adventure together. Lesson 1. Basic Greetings. To kick things off, let's master the art of greetings. A simple hello is your go-to phrase, but how you say it can make a world of difference. Imagine walking into a room and enthusiastically greeting everyone with a bright hello, or dramatically exclaiming it like you just won $1 million. This not only sets a cheerful tone, but also helps you make a memorable first impression. Let's practice together. Try saying hello with different emotions: cheerful, dramatic, and even silly. You can also expand your repertoire with phrases like good morning for the morning, good afternoon for the afternoon, and good evening for the evening. Don't forget to try a casual greeting like, "What's up?" This variety will make you feel more comfortable and confident when speaking to others. Lesson 2. Common Phrases. Now that you can greet people, let's delve into some common phrases that will be useful in everyday conversations. One of the most frequent questions you'll encounter is, "How are you?" A great way to respond is with, "I'm fine, thank you." If you're feeling a bit cheeky, you might say, "I need coffee, help." This adds humor and personality to your conversations. Let's practice this together. Repeat after me. "How are you?" "I'm fine. I need coffee." You can also incorporate follow-up questions like, "And how about you? Are you fueled by coffee too?" Other useful phrases include, "What's your name?" and "My name is Dagim," as well as, "Where are you from?" and "I'm from your country, Shirk City." These phrases open up the conversation and show that you're interested in the other person's response, making small talk more engaging. Lesson 3. Basic Vocabulary. Next on our list is expanding your vocabulary with some essential words. Let's start with fun and relatable nouns: cat, pizza, and unicorn. Why these? Because who doesn't love a cozy cat video, a delicious slice of pizza, or the magic of unicorns? Repeating these words can help reinforce your memory. Try saying them out loud while visualizing each item. Picture a fluffy cat lounging on a pizza slice while a unicorn prances by. Additionally, let's add more vocabulary to your arsenal with words like dog, book, friend, car, and apple. As you repeat these words, think about sentences you can create with them. For example, "I have a cat," "I love pizza," or "My friend has a dog." Knowing these words will empower you to describe things around you and engage in lively conversations, making you feel more connected to the language. Lesson 4. Simple Sentences. Now that we have some vocabulary, let's put those words into action by forming simple sentences. A great starter sentence is, I like pizza. But let's add some flair. How about saying, I really, really like pizza? This emphasizes your love for pizza and allows you to practice expressing enthusiasm in English. If you want to inject some humor, you might even say, I like pizza more than I like people. Other examples of simple sentences include, I like cats. I enjoy reading books. My favorite fruit is apple. And I love to play soccer. Feel free to mix and match your vocabulary to create your own sentences. For instance, if you love dogs, you could say, I like dogs more than cats. The goal is to express yourself freely and have fun with it, making language learning a more enjoyable experience. Lesson 5. Fun with pronunciation. Let's dive into the world of pronunciation. English has some tricky words, especially those that sound similar, like through, though, and thought. To help you differentiate these, let's turn it into a fun exercise. Say each word while imitating a rubber chicken's squeak. Not only will this lighten the mood, but it will also help you focus on the sounds and rhythms of the language. Here are some more examples of words that may confuse you. Bear versus bear, flower versus flower, and night versus night. Practicing with a sense of humor makes it less daunting and more enjoyable. Grab a friend and make it a game. See who can pronounce the words correctly while making the funniest faces. Remember, clear pronunciation is key to being understood, so don't hesitate to practice out loud. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed today's lesson on basic English skills. Remember, learning a language doesn't have to be boring or overwhelming. With a little humor and practice, you can quickly become more confident in your English-speaking abilities. Today, we covered greetings, common phrases, essential vocabulary, simple sentences, and fun pronunciation tips. I encourage you to keep practicing and incorporating these lessons into your daily life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging lessons. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite English word? Until next time, keep smiling and keep learning, because every step you take brings you closer to fluency.